Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back, guys. Today, I want to talk briefly about what this channel is for. And this video is going to be one shot. I'm not going to cut or edit anything, so let's see how this goes. I am actually an engineer and I love languages and how powerful they are. As a speaker of multiple languages, I can definitely assure you that learning Turkish is challenging. Teaching Turkish is also challenging, but it is a lot of fun. I congratulate you for this decision of yours to learn Turkish. You are very brave. My main purpose in this channel is to provide you with the information that you need in your endeavor of learning Turkish. I'm going to provide you with grammar lessons, sentences for special occasions, verb conjugations, and sayings. In addition to that, expressions in Turkish. So, I believe it's going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be a long journey. I'm trying to keep the videos as short as possible by breaking down the topics into little pieces so they could be very convenient for you, and I hope that this is going to help you to manage your time while watching the videos. Which is very important is that you study what you see in the videos from time to time and watch the videos again and again, and try to use other resources as well. Well, as I always say, if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, please let me know. As you understand, this channel is for those of you who would really like to learn Turkish. And as I said, it's going to be a lot of fun. You can always get in touch with me through comments or through social media. In this case, until next time. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.